first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to cut all the fat off the sides. I already trimmed off the sides. Get all the fat off. And then we want to go ahead and we want to cut and open it up. Get it nice and ready before we pound it down. Okay, then we want to go ahead and we want to tenderize the meat. Take some saran wrap like this. I'm going to cover the top of it like that. And we want to tenderize the meat. Alright, first we're going to add salt. Then we're going to add pepper. And then we're going to add garlic. Then we're going to take our ham. And our cheese. I'm going to roll it. Once we get it rolled, we're going to get it like this. Roll it like that. Okay, so we're gonna have coconut flour in our first bowl. Then we're gonna have 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and heavy whipping cream. And then we're gonna have our pork rinds all grinded up. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get our stuff ready for the chicken. We got our coconut flour right here, 2 eggs, and we're gonna add 1/3 cup of whipping cream, and we're going to mix up that batter real good. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some seasoning to this. We're going to add salt, pepper, and garlic. Like I said before, and I always tell you, you can add whatever you like, whatever kind of seasonings you like. But I'm going to go ahead and add salt, pepper, and garlic. And there's our rounded up pork rinds. And we'll go from one to the next, and then we'll go ahead and put it right in. Okay, well, here we go. Bear with me. I've got one hand filming and one hand working. We're gonna go ahead and cover our chicken cordon bleu with some nice coconut flour. Then we're gonna bring it over here and we're gonna coat it with some egg wash, which is our eggs, our pepper, salt, garlic, and our whipping cream. Then we're going to take it and we're going to put it over here in our pork rinds and make sure we get it nice and covered up perfectly. Sorry about the camera, but you can get the picture. I'm one-handed, my cameraman is on vacation. And after I get that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop it in the oil and I'm going to start cooking it away. Cooks for about 15 to 20 minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, they're frying up nicely. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get them perfect. We're going to turn them over here in a second, but man, do they smell good. Okay, now we're going to make the cheese sauce, and we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of butter. Get those melted first. We're going to go with 1/3 a cup of whipping cream. Okay, then you add a piece of cheese. Just drop a piece of cheese in there and go ahead and stir it around, and it's going to make it nice and thick. You'll get a nice, thick, creamy sauce. Put on top of your chicken cordon bleu. Okay, once the sauce has good consistency, it's done and ready to be put on top of the cordon bleu. And there you have it. Chicken cordon bleu with some cheesy sauce. And it's just ready to go. Bon appetit.